Hello guys, and welcome to another DIY time. My name is Lizzie. The flower you can see on your screen right now is what we are going to be making today, and it's very easy to make. So the materials we're using for this flower will be listed in the description box below. Please ensure you go through it. So we'll go straight into the video for today. As you could see from the picture of the flower, we used 3 different sizes to achieve this flower. So I used 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 4 centimeter for the smallest one. So I'm just showing you the measurement on your screen now, and then after that we'll go ahead to trimming the edges, and then we'll start making our flowers, the fold for our flowers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why not please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome. Please do subscribe and like my videos. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. I'm really grateful. So we'll just continue with trimming out the excess in the edges with our lighter. After that, we'll go ahead to fold. So we'll fold it first into a triangle, and then we'll do another second fold still in a triangle form. Now I started with the 6 centimeter fabric, and then you do the second one, which is a 5 centimeter, and make sure both the tip are on the same line. Then you fold the last one, which is the 4 centimeter. That would be the last one in front. Then after that, you go ahead to sew that and hold it in place with your hand needle. So we'll just keep doing that for the rest of them. Just keep watching and enjoy the process. As you can see now, we're done fixing all our flowers, and we used a total of 5 petals for this and 5 petals for this. So now we'll go ahead to drag our thread. Please make sure, in order to do this well, make sure you double your thread while you're stitching this, so you won't cut, your thread won't cut while you are dragging it. So you just drag till it's well, till it's tight. Then we go ahead to trim out. After I drag the thread, I noticed some little fabrics pulling out, so I had to just go ahead to trim that off using the lighter. I just trim out the excess there, and then I will secure the flower from with the first one we started with. We just secure it like that to form the shape, the circle shape for this flower. And yay, our flower is ready. It's almost done. And it's looking so beautiful now. So we'll just go ahead and tie it till it's very tight, till it's strong, and then we tie the thread and cut it out. Keep watching. And if you've watched to this time, why not give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with friends. Thank you. So once we cut out our thread, we'll trim to make sure our flower comes out very neat. So you just trim that with your scissors, and you can still go ahead using your lighter. Please, when you're doing this, be very careful not to burn the fabric and ruin your work. So you just do it gently. Make sure the fire is not too close to the fabric. And then this is the pearl I wanted to use before, but I noticed it was too small for the space because of the bulkiness of the fabric. So I decided to use another pearl, and I'm using this one to finish the flower, and our flower is set. Thank you so much for watching. See you next in my next video. Bye.